If you want to stop AnyDesk access right now, this video will show you the quickest way to disconnect an active session and fully exit the app so no one stays connected to your computer. This is a simple but important step if you want to end remote access fast, especially if you no longer need support, you finished a screen share, or you just want to make sure the session is closed properly. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Now let's get into it. First, check whether an AnyDesk session is currently active. If someone is connected to your device, you should see the session toolbar or a connection window on your screen. Look closely for any sign that a remote user is present. This matters because you want to make sure you're ending the live session, not just closing a random window. Once you confirm that a session is active, the next step is to end the connection. In the AnyDesk session window, click Disconnect. If you do not see a disconnect button, you can also close the remote session window. As soon as you do this, the remote user will immediately lose access to your computer. That means they can no longer see your screen, control your mouse, or interact with your system. After disconnecting the current session, it is a smart idea to completely quit AnyDesk if you want to stop it from running in the background. To do that, look at the system tray, which is the small icon area near your clock on Windows. Find the AnyDesk icon there, then right-click it. From the menu that appears, choose Quit or Exit. This will fully stop AnyDesk from running until you open it again manually. This is useful because even after disconnecting a session, the app itself may still be available in the background. Quitting AnyDesk gives you a little extra peace of mind if you do not want remote access active at the moment. If you ever need to use it again later, you can simply reopen it and start a new session when needed. So to recap, the fastest way to stop AnyDesk access is to disconnect the active session first, then quit the application from the system tray. That way, you end the current connection and stop the program from continuing to run in the background. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.